Yes, it's Rams TV. I'm back again with another hair transplant tutorial. I just want to go into a bit more details about what I do and a review of the products I'm using. Because I believe that everyone needs to know, like, through this process, like what are you using, what kind of products you're using, how do you help promote hair growth. So yeah, so in the previous video, we saw that I introduced, Durag. I believe it's going to be quite important how you make the hair look, how you make it stay down, how you make it smell nice, how you help promote growth for hair. Then, come on, we've got it. Yep, here we are, we got it. We bought this, the hair, food, banana, and Shea. Bought this. As I said, that makes the hair smell nice, but we get a bit more details about it. And we have the Jamaican black castor oil. Now, this helps promote hair growth. That's another good thing as well. So yeah, I want to get into a bit more details about it. I'm gonna go and give you a tutorial how I put it on. So guys, it's gonna be like a step-by-step motion and then a review. And importantly, I've got quite a few interesting things to tell you later on in this video as well. So stay tuned. And we're gonna get everything set up and ready for us to do this now. So, what I use like shampooing like my hair, I use Head and Shoulders, so you can see that. That's a bit better for you like that. So it's quite simple. Just put it into my hair. Uh-oh, got drops on there. Just go around. Normally, I have like a, what do you call it, like a sponge, man. Like a little sponge. And what that sponge does, it kind of gets rid of the dandruff and stuff and helps growth. But I don't know where I pull it, and I don't know what it's called. But yeah, there's this little sponge. It goes across, you rub it in your head, and what it does, it like gets rid of any like dead skin and dandruff, and also it encourages hair growth as well. Encourages, I say, promotes, encourages. So what I do now, normally I let it settle in for about 2 to 3 minutes, man. Let it go there, make sure I give my head an itch and stuff. Scratch it. It's pretty simple things. Some people might not be like used to it, but it's quite easy to know. I'm putting face as I'm doing it. So yeah, let that settle in for about 2 to 5 minutes. So this my hair wet, guys, so washed it, left it for 5 minutes. Now when I'm drying it, I'll just make sure before I rub anything on, I dry it all out. Because when you put the oils on, they don't really stick to the scalp. So my hair smells nice already. So yeah, so that's all washed out now. My hair feels dry enough. So that feels dry. So what I tend to do, I get the Jamaican castor oil. Right, try not to overdo it with it as well. So a little drop in my hand, so like that. Then I'll rub it up, warm it up. Then I go like not against the hair, down with the grain of the hair. I put some on my beard as well. Just put some on my beard like that. So tend to the sides first. And again, on the top, not too much. I think I might put too much, but we can recover. And just As you see, it makes your scalp oily, but it's all natural and it promotes hair growth. So put it on now. What I tend to get the towel and just clean your hands off and just rub a bit, because sometimes you might have a bit too much excess on the oil. Don't want too much. So get this closed. So what then, I'll go straight to the hair, food, banana and Shea. Now, that's what it looks like inside. It's all just all white. So I get like a little splodge on my hand, on my finger, rub it up, put some on the top. And this is when the magic happens. Put some around the side. You know, and put some around the back. Now, I tend to get rid of excess off there. As you can see, low still in there. So, rub it in. You're gonna have some come out. Yeah. I tend to leave some in a bit. Don't wash it out. Then I'll put the Durag on. I'm crap putting this on, man. Absolutely. So I got like this. Make sure you get your ears out. And then another little loop. Then you make sure you give it a nice little tightening around the back. So here we are, trying to tighten it, man. Flop in a minute. Look at that, that is terrible. That is terrible. Let's go again. Let's go again. So boom. So you get it out like that. Right. You can fix the little minor things afterwards. Always get it toned. So yeah. Now we've got it. Loop it like you're lacing it. Get your ears out, make sure it's out. Then slowly pull down it so your hair's compressed. And that's how I prepare. So what I'll do, I'll come back in a few hours and let this settle in. Get some heat on my hair, you know, let it do what it does. And I'll come back and like review the products. So give me a few hours, people. Right, I'm back, guys. It's been a good 3 hours or so. So I just got some Caribbean food. I was hungry. So we let everything settle in, have Durag on for a few hours. And we're gonna see what the hair looks like and how it's shaped up to be. So here we go. So this is what hair looks like after having a Durag on and putting in chemicals on. So from the distance, as you can see, the hairline's looking on point. It's looking more thicker. Get a closer up view. You know, it's worked wonders. So I'm gonna give like a little review on this. So as we go for this first product, the first product is the hair and food of banana Shea. You can use it in 3 sorts of methods. So one of the methods that you can use it in is as a conditioner. So you could on wet hair to instantly nourish, detangle without any knots or weight down. I don't use it like that. You can use it as a mask on wet hair, leave it for 3 minutes, then rinse it out. Or use it on wet hair. I dry my hair and apply it afterwards. Rub it in, don't rub it all out, you know what I mean? And then just wear the Durag on top. But yeah, it's a good product, man. It gives a different texture to my hair. So guys, if you are thinking about using different products with regards to, you know, making hair feel nicer or trying to promote hair growth, this product, I recommend it. I recommend it. So if you guys have got anything else you can think of that could help me, or you've got other products that may make my hair smell nice, may help promote hair growth, leave things in the comment. So I'm gonna give that a good 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. So we all know, many of us know about the Jamaican castor oil. I use it with my beard, you know, I use it with my hair. I believe it has helped contribute towards my hair growth significantly. I believe so. Use it every day. Wash my hair, put it on. Easy as that. This has got to be, for what is happening, 10 out of 10, easily. So yeah, guys, just a quick little review. Just want to give you like a little tutorial on how I, you know, prepare from hair and stuff. But yeah, as I said, I've got something important to tell you guys, man. So I've got time off now because obviously to the fracture of my particular part of my ankle. I'm gonna try to upload a bit more videos. You know, I'm gonna do little vlogs about my daytime. Also, I'm gonna do maybe little story times about my past and stuff, my tattoos, because you probably could tell that I've got enough tattoos all over me. So yeah, stories about living in London, about how things went, you know what I mean? It'd be nice to hear a story. So I'm gonna show you a different life of my style, you know what I mean? So guys, hope you guys can be locked in. As I said, you know, there's loads of you watching these videos at the moment. Get subscribing, liking, turn your notifications on, because I do appreciate it. It is kind of good that you guys are watching this channel and helping me, and by liking these videos it shows YouTube how well the channel's doing. So thank you very much. As I said, one more look. You know, it just gives me, I love it, man. I love it. I was about to go there, but this hair transplant, amazing. It is amazing. Do you know what? It's giving me like another lease of life. It has. You know, I'm gonna give you some speech in a minute. It's crazy because it's giving me confidence. It makes my face look different. It makes me look younger. Give me more energy. You know, give me more confidence. And you know, fine. It probably gives me a bit more respect at the same time. So yeah, guys. Sorry, I'm just gonna go on a bit. It's Rams TV. Over and out.